Hello again, welcome to today's attempt of a Diffle puzzle. This is Wordle, but we don't know how long the word is, so I like to use a word that's got all the vowels in. We'll start with auctioned today. Wow, we get 3 yellow letters, T-I-E. The fact that they're yellow means they're all in the wrong position. So in this instance, that means the E has to be before the I, and the I has to be before the T. Very interesting to get all yellows and greys and no greens in this game, because it just means absolutely nothing is in the right order, which simply means you need to reverse them. So, if you will permit me, I'm going to try permit. This tries some new letters. It's got the EIT in the right order. Wow, we've still only got the EIT, and they're all green because they're now in the correct order, of course. The IT are also joined together, that means they're consecutive. And the T has got a hard border on the right. That means I put it in the correct position at the end of the word. So the IT are actually the last 2 letters of the word, which is also helpful information. Now, we're probably not going to have any other vowels, are we? I suppose we could have a duplicated E or I. But if we do have a duplicated I, none of them can be before the E, otherwise they'd have gone green on the first guess. So it could be something like deficit, if we hadn't ruled out the D and the C. But it couldn't be something like indicit, where there is an I before the E. Now, I'm waffling because I've got no idea what this word is. Hermit would work, something like that. Of course, we've ruled out the R and the M, so it can't be. I'm not sure if there's that many words that end IT, though. That's the problem. So I'm not quite sure what we're going to be doing. Legit? Is it going to be something as simple as that? I mean, in many dictionaries this would probably be classed as an abbreviation, but we can try it. Oh, we can try it, and all it's done is rule out another couple of letters. I was expecting the L or the G at least to be useful, but no. I mean, obviously it could just be exit, but I've never seen a 4-letter word in this. It's always 5 or longer. And if exit is not the right answer, then going for it, even if it accepts it, is very unlikely to be helpful. Because it just tries one new letter, and that's the X. So I'm going to try to avoid that if I can. But the question is, can I think of anything else that works? The answer might be no. It also can't be Brexit. Luckily we've ruled out the R, so even if that is a valid word in this game's dictionary, it cannot be correct. So, I've got absolutely no idea. Let's just see if it accepts exit. Oh! I should have gone for that sooner for an unexpected reason. The E and X are the first 2 letters of the word. So they are correct. There is an X today. That is very interesting. I think that might be the first time I've ever guessed a 4-letter word in this. Now, what is going to be between the X and the I? There can be any number of letters. X-wit, X-kit. I mean, it can't even be exorcist. There are just so many more words that end IST than end IT. Huh. I don't know. I mean, it could be a duplicated E still. That's what made me think of exorcist. I know that doesn't actually have a duplicated E in it, but this sort of sounds like it should be pronounced exorcist, but it's clearly not. I do not know. Exhibit. It's going to be a duplicated I, not a duplicated E. Should have probably got that quicker, but that was just a tricky one, wasn't it? I had the EI and T right from the first guess, and I knew the order they went in. And I just did not try the X, H and B quickly enough. I mean, they're unusual letters. I'm not going to beat myself up too much, but that's quite a common word, so I should have got it. I'm sure there were people shouting it at the screen. Well done if you were one of them. That is eventually, the Diffle puzzle. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.